Hello foodies! Today's special recipe is cashew nut chicken. This delicious recipe is quick and easy to make. And of course, thank you for tuning in. Let's start the marination. Take 250 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon Channa Masala, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon Garam Masala, some black pepper. Now add some raw cashews, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. Mix well and let it marinate. Heat some oil in the pan and deep fry the chicken in the medium flame. Check out the channel for more amazing recipes just like this one.